Another stab at withdrawing the Kenyan Republic from being a signatory to the Rome Statute, this time by the Senate.
Order.
In a similar fashion as did their National Assembly counterparts on Thursday last week.
They are here today looking at Kenyans in the face and using the script of the Pharisee, beating their chests in a holier-than-thou attitude and claiming that they can look the people of Kenya in the eye and say they are guilty of the blood of the people of this country.
And just as the motion had been moved and seconded, those opposed to the motion were as vocal as those in support of it.
Whichever side you are, it is the interest of this country that we are protecting. We cannot be a country that jumps in and jumps out of agreements.
Our application for deferral has never been refused. The truth is that it has never been heard. The United Nations Security Council decided decided as if we didn't have a matter to bring before them and did not even open the doors for us to state our case, Mr. Speaker.
Our great men, Joshua Arap Sang, William Ruto, Uhuru Kenyatta, are just but sacrificial lambs. They are hanging there on the cross on behalf of all of us. Time has come as Senate, as an important institution, to stand and say we will no longer allow a situation where our leaders will hang on the cross, and that we will come to a time where we will say that our country can be able to stand on its feet.
The suffering that Kenyans go through might not be experienced at this level.
The debate included the mention of an open letter presented to the court by a Kenyan human rights activist just days before the start of trial. One heated debate later, and senators allied to the Cord family would stage a walkout just before the motion was voted on.
Order.
So we are climbing the tree from the top. Why are we putting Honorable Ruto and Honorable Kenyatta into problems by us making unwise moves? Why now? Think about it. Think critically about it.
Let us look at the victims. To what extent are the victims going to get justice here in Kenya when those who they are accusing are the highest powers in the land? Is it really practical to expect them to get justice when the highest powers on the land are those that are going to be executing things in this country? Mr. Speaker, let us be fair.
The motion was passed in its entirety despite an attempt to amend it by Migori Senator Dr. Wilfred Mashage. As such, the Senate will now seek to have the cases deferred and tried through the Kenyan judiciary. Once passed, the bill will also initiate a process to ultimately withdraw Kenya from the Rome Statute as a signatory. Jacky Maribe, Citizen Live at 9.